In the previous video, we learned the basic English tenses. In this video, we are going to learn the tenses that weren't in that video. So let's get started. The first tense is future continuous tense. So there is something called a rule for all the tenses. So the rule for future continuous or progressive tense is will plus be plus present participle. So a present participle, a verb that ends with ing. So that is the rule for future continuous tense. By the way, keep in mind that for all tenses related with the future, like future continuous, future perfect, which we will cover in the future, and also future tense will have will. So remember that. So as you can see on the screen, an example for future continuous tense: I will be going to the shop tomorrow. I will be going. So that is the main part. Will be going. So going is a present participle ing verb, and will because it's future, something related with the future. So will be going. Everything else is just the sentence. Yeah, it is what you are going to be doing in the future. The next one is present perfect tense. So for present perfect tense, the rule is have or has plus past participle. A past participle is a stage of a verb. So for example, take, took, taken, forget, forgot, forgotten, like that. So taken, forgotten, stolen on the screen right now. Those are past participles. An example for present perfect tense is the dog has taken a toy from the shop. So has taken, that is the main part there. Has taken because it's a has or have, has this time, with a past participle. So it obeys the rule, and in bracket is what is a present perfect tense. So something that happened in the past and continues in the present, or just something happened in the past. Past perfect tense. So for past perfect tense, the rule is had plus past participle. For the present perfect tense, it was has or have plus past participle. For this, it's had. An example is I had met him before. Had met is the past perfect tense. Met is the past participle and had is the other word, as in the rule. So happened before some point in the past. So I had met him before something. Future perfect tense. The rule for future perfect tense will have plus past participle. So I will have gone by then. I will have driven off by then. So keep in mind, for past participles, it's not always different. It can also be like lived, lied, because they don't have anything else. Future perfect tense example is the plant will have grown by the time I come home. So that is will have grown, will have, and past participle. Again, that obeys the rule. A future event that has a definite end date. And will have, will is for future. So that's what I was talking about before. A future event which has a definite end date. So it's like I know it's going to happen at this point of time in the future. If you learned something from this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, comment down below what did you learn. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.